Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of our computer, that is parts of a computer. As we all know, we have so many body parts and each part has its own unique function. Similarly, computer is also a useful machine, electronic machine we have done. It also has so many parts which we'll learn in this chapter today. Let's begin with parts of a computer. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, printer, UPS, input and output devices, working of a computer. Let's just start the chapter.
Our brain helps us to think. Kitty told me which body part helps us to think. Computer also has a smart brain. It's called CPU. Parts of a computer. A computer has many different parts. All these parts help computer to work. Monitor. A big screen which looks like a TV is called monitor. It shows us all the work done by us. It is also called do. Keyboard. A rectangular board having many small buttons on it is called keyboard. These small buttons are called keys. A keyboard is used to type letters, words and numbers. CPU. Central Processing Unit is the full form of CPU. It performs all the processing tasks. Therefore, it is also called the brain of the computer. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is connected with CPU through a long wire. It is used to select and click the objects. It is also used to draw and color pictures. Printer. A printer is used to take a copy of stored information from a computer on a paper. This copy is called printout. UPS. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. An UPS keeps the computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. Input and output devices. Input devices are used to give commands or enter data into the computer. Keyboard, mouse and microphone are input devices. Output devices give us result in the form of words, letters, images or sound. Monitor, printer and speakers are output devices. Working of a computer. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. A computer works on 3 basic steps: input, process, output. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 3 and 4 are the data and plus is the instruction. Input 3 plus 4. Now, the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions. It will add the numbers 3 and 4. Process 3 plus 4. 7 is the correct result or output of the sum. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Output 7.